Good morning, students. In the last video, I had explained you the concept of this chapter related to singular and plural nouns, plural number of nouns. And today we are going to do the exercise that is a working zone of this chapter, that is chapter number 4, nouns, singular and plural. Let's begin. A. Write the plurals of these nouns. First one is cup full. The answer will be cupfuls. Second, photo. Answer will be photos. Only S we have to add. Then valley, valleys. That I asked you to learn all the rules. As in the third one, you can see Y is followed by a vowel. Y के पहले जस्ट क्या आया है? वोवल. AEIOU में से कुछ भी आता है तो हम केवल S ऐड करते हैं, लेकिन अगर कॉन्सोनेंट आता है Y के जस्ट पहले तो Y हटाकर IES ज्वाइन करते हैं. लास्ट वीडियो में आपको कॉन्सेप्ट बताए थे. सिमिलरली यहाँ पे E है और उसके बाद है Y, दैट इज़ वोवल है. वोवल के बाद Y लिखा है तो हमें केवल S ऐड करना है. Now the fourth one, handful, handfuls. Fifth, tongue, tongues. Sixth, woman, women. What the change will be there? WOMAN changes to WOMEN. Seventh, motto. Answer will be mottos. ES we have to join over here. Eighth, bunch. Answer is bunches. ES will be joined over here also, because in the rule number 2 we had learnt that when a word ends with CH, SS, S or X, SH, at that time we have to just add ES at the last. Ninth one, KNIGHT, night. Here K is silent. Night. The answer will be nights. Only S will be added. 10th one, goose. Spelling changes to geese. 11th, variety. As you can see over here, in 11th one, after consonant Y is written. After consonant Y is written, then we have to write IES instead of Y, in place of Y. VARIET. 12th, mouse changes to mice. 13th, bamboo changes to bamboos. Only S is added over here. 4th, foot. 14th one, foot changes to feet. 15th, calf changes to calves. Here also the rule which we learnt in the last video, wherever at the last at the end of the word, when F comes, it changes to, instead of in place of F we write VES. CALF is a singular form, changes to CALVES when we write it in plural. 16, factory. As consonant comes before Y, answer will come factories. In place of Y, IES will come. 17th, donkey, donkey. What will come? Donkeys. Because in this also, E, after E what is written? Y, vowel. Just after the vowel Y is written, therefore only S comes over here. 18th, prince, princess. 19th, butterfly, butterflies. Y instead of, in place of Y, IES is written over here. 20th, disease, diseases. Torch, CH. What comes when the word ends with CH? While writing in plural we have to add ES, torches. 22nd, tiger, tigers. 23rd, hoof, hooves. 24th, stepson, stepsons. जो कंपाउंड पढ़े थे वर्ड उनमें से ये है स्टेप्सन वाला. 25th one, ear changes to ears. shoe, shoes. piano, pianos. Fairy, FAIRY, FAIRE. IES. Copy, copies. Inch, inches. 31. Estate, estates. 32. Rupee, rupees. 33. Pony, ponies. Digress, digresses. Prize, prizes. Class, classes. Chimney, chimneys. Branch, branches. Zoo, zoos. Half, halves. Wife, wives. Vase, vases. Nut, nuts. Leaf, leaves. Key, keys. In this working zone, we have seen all the rules related to this chapter, as the verbal consonant one, that when y comes at last, and here we have also seen when the word ends with f, instead in place of f we have to write ves, or fe if it ends with, if the singular form of the word end with fe, when we write in plural form it ends with, instead of fe what we have to write, ves. In leaf also you can see the same. Okay, try to fill this. First again revise all the rules which I had taught in the last video, and after that start doing the exercise by yourself. Exercise number B. Exercise B, fill in the blanks with the plural of the nouns in brackets. ब्रैकेट्स में आपको जो नाउन दिए हुए हैं, जैसे कि पहले ब्रैकेट में टोमेटो है, सेकंड में हीरो है, इनका यूज़ करके ये सिंगुलर में दिए हैं, हमको प्लूरल में करके लिखना है ब्लैंक्स में. फर्स्ट वन, स्लाइस्ड, आई स्लाइस्ड 3 डैश टू मेक अ सैलेड. टोमेटो है, इसका प्लूरल फॉर्म क्या हो जाएगा, ES जोड़ देंगे, टोमेटोज. सेकेंड, ऑल द वॉर डैश व गिवन मेडल्स. हीरो है, ES जोड़ देंगे, हीरोज. थर्ड, the 5 school dash was standing in a line. बस है तो buses. Fourth, South America has many dash. Volcano, volcanoes. ES we have to add. Fifth, hundreds of dash damaged the wheat crop. Kangaroos. Sixth, on our holiday, Shweta took lots of dash. Photos. Here we just have to add as. In photos we don't have to add es, as we had read a few exceptions. It is one of them. Okay, जो हमने exceptions पढ़े थे उनमें से ही है ये. इसमें o के लास्ट में वैसे सब में es जुड़ता है, लेकिन फोटोज़ में नहीं जुड़ता, केवल s जुड़ेगा. 7th, my brother ate 2 dash after lunch. Peaches written, answer will be peaches. 8th, we ate all the dash in the bowl. Cherry changes to cherries. 9th, this airport has over 1000 trolley. What will come over here? Trolleys. As vowel is written before y, therefore only as we have to add over here. 10th, there are many dash in Goa. Church changes to churches. 11th, there are lots of dash growing around the playground. Trees. 12th, frightened deer hid between the 2 bushes. The 2 dash decided to end the war. The 2 countries. IES. In place of Y, IES will come. 14th, at the zoo we saw lots of dash monkeys. 15th, there are lots of big dash in England. In place of Y, IES will come, so the plural form will be cities. CITIES. So students, that's it for today. 2 more exercises are left of this chapter, that is C and D, which we will do in the next video. Thank you.